Meaning of dungeon.
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 Dungeon. A dungeon is traditionally a secure, underground room or series of rooms used for holding prisoners, often for political or military purposes. These rooms may be accessed via a trapdoor or secret passage, and can be quite dark and unpleasant.
Dungeons have also become a popular feature in role-playing and video games, where they often consist of labyrinthine tunnels filled with traps and monsters. In these contexts, players may be challenged to explore the dungeon, defeat enemies, and collect treasure. Overall, dungeons represent confinement, danger, and the potential for adventure.